everybody, welcome to sevaexperience. My name is Julie and I'm here in Dubai. We're currently quarantined, but I'm lucky to have this awesome neighbour called Kiki.
Thank you. I'm the chef of sevaexperience. What are we gonna make today?
We're going to make a face mask with ingredients that I found in the cupboard. And yeah, I'm actually going to take some of your amazing coconut yogurt. I mean, I haven't got a clue how she makes it, but it's so delicious.
Actually, it's super easy to make. So we just take a coconut can. Mostly I use organic brands of coconut cream, full fat cream. You're gonna have the most thickness one, and you're just gonna add a probiotic pill. You mix it with a plastic spoon all the time, and you keep it in a dark cabinet. 24 hours, you have a coconut yogurt.
Amazing.
Yeah, and it's so delicious. That is the easy way. So
And for a face, it's going to tone it, even it, balance out any blemishes, and it's really good if you have any acne because it soothes it. It's very soothing. I actually need a spoon.
I found for you.
Awesome. We're going to add some matcha tea powder that we actually took from our friend. I hope he doesn't mind. It's his favourite Sun Food Superfoods. I'm sure he doesn't mind. And this is going to be very good for UV damage that we do to our skin daily in Dubai because it's always sunny here. We are quite blessed. And we're going to add this to the coconut yogurt.
Okay.
And it's going to be it's going to promote circulation in the skin, and then that's going to be anti-aging, and you're going to be glowing after it. Your skin might go a little bit red, sometimes mine does, but that's because the oxygen is coming to the skin surface and it's completely fine, do not worry. Kiki saw me the other night in the lift and she was like, what happened to your skin? And I was like, do not worry.
It's happened to me before, she said.
Yeah, it happens a lot, and it's so beautiful after it, like I glow. So yeah.
I put for you here the yogurt.
Beautiful.
Okay. We can take this cute
Yeah,
one.
this is really cute. Luckily, chefs have cute spoons. So you can stir as I add. I've just added like 1 scoop of that. I don't know what that is. I think it's a teaspoon amount.
Yes.
I'm going to add until I'm happy with the mixture. You can also use an avocado, smash up an avocado if you don't have coconut yogurt. That also works well, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know.
And you need, I believe, the fat, it will help you to the hydration of the skin. So the avocado is really good.
It's natural vitamin E.
And what I'm doing normally when my avocado, I cannot eat it anymore because it's overripe. I will use in my face or in my hair, so I don't waste.
Yeah, we don't need to waste anything. We should really use as much as we can.
And what is that?
This is clay powder, which is amazing to detox any dirt that's stuck in the skin. So we're just going to add. It is quite drying, so I'm not going to add too much. Maybe 2 of those. Yeah, if you stir.
Yeah.
Nice.
So and then I can make some of this and keep in the fridge.
Yes, it will.
I love to do that because then it's cold, and when you put it in your face after a heavy day, you know.
That's such a good idea. And if you have any, to give you that extra if you want, if you have those vitamin E capsules, you can break one and pop it in. That's really going to be really good for the skin.
You want to put a little bit more?
Should we put a bit more? Yeah. Let's put a bit more clay. Enough.
And then we always use the same principle. We say that everything that smells good and you want to eat it is what you put in your face.
That is good. Definitely. How would you think? Should I see the texture?
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit more. So I think.
Where normally do you buy the clay? Sorry.
So you can get this in the organic shop in Dubai.
Okay.
They have some amazing varieties. Bentonite, I think it's called, is really good. This is good. This is good. Yeah, amazing. So yeah, you might be careful, don't scare your neighbours if someone comes around, warn them because you're going to look really scary. This morning we had papaya for breakfast and we couldn't eat it all, it was really good. Papaya is also another one that you can use for your face mask.
And it's half full of vitamin E and it's full of beta carotene. Yeah.
Well pronounced, I can't
Thank
say
you.
that.
So we're going again. We don't want to waste anything.
Mm-hmm.
Normally, you can just put it in your hair,
Mm-hmm.
or we was thinking that it's a good idea after you take it out the mask,
Mm-hmm.
you wash your face, and then you will add this in your. You will put this on your skin for refreshing.
Yeah.
To soften.
It's really going to brighten the skin, any like dullness there, because after the mask, this is going to be quite dry, and this is going to like brighten it. It's packed full of natural vitamin C, which is what we need when we're always in the sun, and it gets rid of any damage from the sun rays. Yeah.
Summer is coming. And one more thing, I remember normally when I do extra for home, and then I put in the fridge, it gets dry. So I add a little bit of rose water, and it's again
amazing.
keeping the
She's
texture,
so
and
good.
then you put it in your fridge.
That's a really good tip. Thank you so much, Kiki. I feel
Thank you
so
so
lucky
much.
to have you in my life.
Thank you.
Hi guys, so we've got our mask on and it feels really good. I'm really enjoying having to pamper all week and not go to work and have no makeup on. It's great. We've got some cucumber here that we've been putting on our eyes. They're a little bit small.
It's fun.
Yeah. If anyone's got larger ones, please swing by. We're in Jumeirah. But yeah, this is obviously everyone knows that we put them on your eyelids.
And it's feeling so good.
Yeah. And like keep them in the fridge.
Yeah, so it's got the one that are cold. But you was telling me one idea that you have, yeah? So,
Oh yeah, so I love doing this. Basically get some cucumber, organic if you can, and juice it, and then put it in an ice cube tray, freeze it, and then that's like a toner, but that freezing ice cube brings a shock to your skin, a good shock. All the circulation and oxygen goes to places it's never really been before because it's freezing, and then your face just glows, and it's very, very good for anti-aging and basically freezing the face so you don't get any
so it's
wrinkles.
super good in the morning, no? You use in the morning.
Yes. We should do cold showers, and
Yeah, to start.
if you can, do the cold, like fill a bowl of ice and just dunk your face in. That works amazing.
And we'll wake you up.
Yeah. People will be like, wow, new person, so lit. What tea are you drinking, Kiki?
Oh, I'm drinking one tea, positive energy, and I get it from Sevaexperience.
Oh, but I mean, we can't go to the shop because
No,
it's
we
the
make now
lockdown.
Sevaexperience. So it's an Instagram page where you can get everything. And they bring it to your door.
They deliver it to your door.
Yes, they deliver to your door.
That's awesome. So yeah, guys, get some cucumber and go to Sevaexperience and get ordering. Peace out.
Thank you.
Thank you.